Hello students, one video I have already uploaded. In that video, I have solved one question of linked list. In this video also, I am going to solve this question. You can see on the screen. Linked list is formed from the objects of the class node. The class structure of the node is given below. As I have already explained, the class structure will be given. And you know what is a linked list? A linked list is a collection of nodes. And what is a node? Node is an object of such class. Okay. So a linked list is formed from the objects of class node. It is given. I think you know this, the meaning of this. This I have explained in that previous video. And the class structure of node is given here. This time you can see this class has two data members, and this time the name of data member is what? Name. In previous question which I have solved in the previous video, the name was num, and that was of int type. It is of string type. So as I told, it may be of any type or any variable name can be taken as per the requirement. Okay. And the next is same as the previous question. Here also it is given next. Sometimes you may have link or any object name of same class type. Okay. So this concept I have already explained. Now, what is the question? Class structure is what? This time this class, each node will have two part, name and next. Okay. Now, question is what? Write an algorithm or method to search for a given name in the linked list. The method declaration is this. This will be given in the question. It is given in the question that I have solved by using that. So here I am going to write a method to search for a given name in the list. Okay. So as I've already explained in the previous video also, this start is what? What is this start? This start will have the address of first node. Simple. The start will have the address of first node. Okay. And here in this question, this what we are going to do, we are going to search for a name. So the name which we are going to search is stored into this variable v. Means we are going to search the value of v in this existing linked list. Okay, please remember, whenever you are going to solve such question, please draw such linked list. Okay, as I told in the previous question, you must consider this there the list is existing already, a list is there and few nodes are already there. So by with this consideration, please draw such list having some values. Okay, using the class structure name next, name next, name next. Okay, and keep something like this, some addresses like this. Okay, so draw a list like this. Only then you can think the logic easily, better. Roughly draw it, then go for the question. Okay, now we are going to search this v. Consider the value of v I am taking as pqr. Consider the value of v is what? Pqr I am taking, which is in this node. So that we are going to search whether it is in the list or not. If it is there, if we have to return true. If it is not there in the list, we have to return false. As you can see, the return type of this function is boolean. Okay, so please take care. So logic, what will be the logic? Simple logic. We have to go to each node. We have to move through, we have to go through each and every node. And from each every node, name part will compare the value of v. We'll compare the value of v with each node name part, which is the first part. Okay. So we'll compare the value of v with each node name part. Means we have to move to the node one by one, and we will compare the value of v with the name part of each node. If it is equal, then we will return true from the function. If it is not equal, we'll move to the next node. This process will repeat until the name is found, this name is found, or we will reach to the last node. Okay, please remember this. So I'm going to start from the first node. So as you know, the address of first node is stored into this variable. So that we are storing into the PTR. What is PTR? This is also an object of node class. So we're storing the address of first node that start has into PTR. Means now PTR has the address of first node. Now we are at first node. We have started from first node. Then this condition, PTR not equal to null. You can see the value of PTR is what? 100, 100 not equal to null, condition true. So control will go inside the loop. Now what we have to do, we have to check whether this name is equal to v or not. Since this name and v both are strings, so you know we cannot compare two strings using equal to operators. there we have functions equals and equals ignore case functions. So I'm using equals ignore case function here in case of this. Okay, so equals ignore case function, it compares two strings and returns either true or false if the strings are equal, and it ignores the cases. What it ignores? It ignores the cases. Okay, so ptr dot name. See this ptr dot name. What ptr has? Ptr has the address of first node 100. Dot name is what? ABC. ABC equal to v. No, with the value of v is what? PQR. Please remember this. This condition is false. So it is not found. So condition false, so nothing will happen. Then means what? If name is not found, what we have to do? We have to move to the next node. So from here, control will go back for this. PTR equal to PTR dot next. As I told in the previous video also, this line is here to move to the next node. We have checked the value at 100. Now we'll move to the next node. How to move? PTR dot next. What is PTR? PTR is 100. 100 dot next is what? 200. That will be stored into PTR. So now the value of PTR will be 200. Means PTR has the address of next node. PTR has moved to the next node. Then this condition. PTR not equal to null. Condition false. Condition true. PTR is what? 200. 200 not equal to null. Condition true. So control will move inside the loop. Now PTR dot name. What PTR has? 200 dot name is what? XYZ. Is it equal to V? No. Condition false. So nothing will happen. Nothing will happen in the if. Then from here it will come back. PTR equal to PTR dot next. What is PTR? 200. 200 dot next is what? 300. That will be stored into PTR. So the value of PTR will be what now? 300. Condition true. PTR is 300 not equal to 0. Condition true. So control will go inside the loop. Now we'll compare the value of this name, this node name part with the what? With the V. So PTR dot name is what? PQR. See, PTR is what? 300. 300 dot name is what? PQR is equal to V. Yes, condition true. So the condition is true. So this function will return true. As per the question, as per the return type, we need to return true if the name is found. Okay, and when a function returns a value, control goes back to there from where it is called. So control यहाँ से वापस वहीं चला जाएगा. Means it will exit from the function. Okay, I think it's clear. And consider if the name is not in the list. I'm taking another example of V. I'm taking another value for the V. Consider I'm taking AW1. Here I'm taking the value of V as AW1. Anything I'm taking. So as we have reached to the 300. Okay, so I'm moving for ahead using this current value of PTR. PTR is what? 300. PTR dot name is what? PQR is equal to AW1. No, condition false. So nothing will happen. Okay, then from here PTR equal to PTR dot next. Now I have taken a value which is not in the list. Please take care. And I am starting from the 300 itself. We have to move. So I'm using this same value and moving ahead with a value which is not in the list. Please don't be confused. I have changed something. So AW1 PTR equal to PTR dot next. PTR is what? 300 dot next is what? 400. That will be stored into PTR. So the value of PTR will be what? 400. Condition true. 400 not equal to null. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Inside the loop PTR dot name. What is PTR? 400 dot name is what? WXY. Is it equal to V? Condition false. Again condition false. So nothing will happen. Then PTR equal to PTR dot next. The value of PTR is what? 400. Dot next is what? Null. You can see it is null. That we are storing to the PTR. So the value of PTR will be what? WXY. Got it? WXY. Sorry. PTR equal to PTR dot next. PTR dot next is what? Null. That will be stored in PTR itself. So the value of PTR will be null. Okay. Now control will go for this condition. Null. Now the value of PTR is null. Null not equal to null. Condition false. So condition false. So control will go outside the loop. And consider coming outside the loop, we can check whether the value of PTR is null or not. If it is null, it means the number name is not in the list. Okay, because after this PTR has visited the last node, after that it has null. Means the name is not in the list in all 4 nodes. It is not there. So it means if the value of PTR is null, this condition will be true and it will return false. This function will return false. Okay. I hope it is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask through the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. For this video, this much only. Okay. All the best. I will upload some more videos related to such questions. Thank you.